using the latest heating technology is now more affordable thanks to this infrared diesel heater from Draper tools. A powerful, low-noise, clean-burning heater operates using diesel or kerosene and suitable for use in well-ventilated or open spaces. It's extremely economical, producing an impressive 124,000 BTUs or 34 kilowatt output. And depending on the setting, the 40-litre fuel tank capacity means the heater will run continuously for 15 hours. The unique upper and lower heat deflectors provide maximum heat efficiency. Additional features on this model include an inline fuel filter, fuel gauge, electronic photo cell flame safety device, automatic ignition system, and a sturdy wheelbase and stand to ease manoeuvrability. So why work in the cold? Get a Draper infrared heater.